Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. Today, we got something pretty exciting. A few weeks ago, I started learning about AI, what it is and what it can do. And I was thinking, well, can it design an airplane for me and things? So I got Chat GPT, started asking a bunch of questions and things. And here's what I found out it can design airplanes and it will help you out immensely if you're not good with mathematics and stuff like that and everything. So the first question I asked ChatGPT was draw a picture of a fixed wing drone, and it came back with this. Now, this video is sponsored by PCBWay. PCBWay is your one-stop shop for rapid prototyping, from 3D printing, CNC machining, sheet metal fabrication, injection molding, electronic PC board design and manufacturing. PCBWay has globally competitive prices, and to get an instant quote for your project, sign up for an account and drag and drop your file. You will get an instant quote, and 2 to 3 days you will get a firm quote. For your 3D printing needs or other rapid prototyping needs, check out PCBWay.com. Now, it probably went on the internet and found a picture of this drone here because this drone looks very familiar. What it is, sort of like a predator type drone. What it is, it came back with this. Then I dug. I wanted to know, could it do a little more? So I said, draw a 2-meter swept wing using the Clark Y airfoil, and it came back with this. It drew the wing, swept back, and used a Clark Y airfoil on it too. Then I've got a little more specific. It said design a 2-meter wingspan fixed wing drone with a Clark Y airfoil and a fuselage length of 1.5 meters. Then it came back and said, this nice fun project. Below is a compact, practical design for a 2-meter wingspan fixed wing drone using the Clark Y family airfoil, et cetera here. Then it came back with summary of it. Target. Wingspan 2 meters, Clark Y. And it even gives the where it got the information from, too. And estimate a maximum takeoff weight, design target of 3 kilograms. And you can, this is tunable, too, with a cruise speed of 54 kilometers an hour. That's just cruise speed with the Clark Y airfoil. Then it came back with the wing geometry also. All of this. Root, chord, tip, all of it. Then it did the Reynolds numbers too. And if you're, like I said, if you're not good with math, here it is. And it gave the sources too where it got the information from. The tail and stability, conventional empennage. Did all the math for that too. Estimated the target CG. Estimated performance and weight. Again, the maximum takeoff weight, 3 kilograms. Wing loading, 6 kilograms per meter square. It's a good compromise for endurance and handling. And this is all good. And a stall speed estimate. Then the propulsion, recommended ballpark. For a 3 kilogram electric UAV, motor output outrunner should be 200 to 400 watts continuous. And propeller 8x6 or 10x6. Battery size 3 to 6 lipos. And the ESC and the servos. And control surface here. Then it says wing foam core with wood carbon spar or full foam plus carbon spar, Clark Y. Fuselage composite, carbon fiber and glass or foam plus plywood bulkheads. Keep battery and payload near CG for trimming ease. Flight handling, start at CG with 25% at the Mac. Add a modest washout and 1 to 2% dihedral. And package plan for dimensions for quick CAD or drawing. Then it said it can produce a 2-view or 3-view dimensional sketch and export simple DXF files. Redefine the design for specific MTOW, endurance goal, or battery combination. Then I just said use the above information to draw the drone. And here's the drone. Now, this prop won't work on here because it's too big. Whatever size it drew here is just too big to put on here. Then I said produce a 2-3 view sketch with the above numbers. Came back with this. So now I could put this sketch into CAD and go ahead and draw this. And then I said redefine the above design for long distance and add a camera to it. So it went ahead and did that too. Then change the mission target to now long range, efficient low drag flights, and with the camera. And it increased the wingspan to 2.6 meters from the 2 meters. So it did all the recalculations and everything, all the mathematics again. And now did all this again. And the weight of the camera plus gimbal. And the weight went up just a little. Then it suggests the type of package, camera package. Then it gives motors again. Then it said if you want, it can do all of this. And I just said using the updated information, draw the drone. Now, here it is. Camera up front and everything here. Then I said convert the above model into an STL file. And then it went ahead and did it. Then it went ahead and did all this, and then it went ahead and split it up to fit on my printer. Then it did some things. And that's all I did. I didn't download the zip or anything and to see what the parts and anything look like, because I really was not really interested in that. I just wanted to see, would AI actually do a model for me, and it certainly did. And this is the drone that it did. And then I went ahead and did another one today. Then I said, design a fixed-wing drone, 2-meter wingspan and flight time of 3 hours, made of fiberglass with a DA35 motor. Then it came back with this. Again. Maximum takeoff weight of 7.5 kilograms. Wing area, cruise speed, stall speed, everything, fuel tank size. Then it gives the specs on the DA35, which it got from the Desert Aircraft site. Did all the calculations for you. The wing geometry calculations, everything. More math. And the power of the motor and everything. the fuel slash endurance math, how AI sized the tank. This is the build method, EPS or PU foam core wings and fuselage cores with vacuum back fiberglass skins, 2 layers. Here's our aerodynamic stuff, systems components and recommended items, a landing gear fix or skid dependent on the mission design, cruise speed, endurance 3 hours, everything. Talks about safety, practical takeoff. Then it asks, what did I want to do next? I said proceed with it. Then it went ahead and the 2-meter fiberglass fixed wing drone complete design package. And this is what the drone looks like. Again, this is AI doing this stuff and giving everything that you need to build it. What you need to, all the math is done, everything. All of this. So yeah, so you can design airplanes. AI can design airplanes for you. And you can put this in your CAD program and go from there. So yeah, but when you're doing this, letting AI design the plane for you, you should be very specific on your inputs, what you tell it, what you want. Because the more precise you are, the better the design will be. You know, if you want it 2 meters wingspan with a chord of whatever, you know, you should put that in there and say you want the wings made of foam core and fiberglass, glass with fiberglass, or you know, balsa sheeted, or you're gonna have just make the whole wing out of balsa wood. Be very specific when you put all the information in there. And if you want to use a specific motor, put that specific motor in there. If you want to specific batteries or anything, just make sure you put all of that in there too. And if you want the plane to look a certain way, make sure you put that information in there too. Or just let AI design, you know, generate the plane for you, the shape of it. But if you want a specific shape, just make sure you tell it what you want. But besides that, I never knew AI was, you know, this advanced doing stuff like this. I mean, this saves you so much time and everything in the design process. So yeah. But anyway, if you have any questions here about what I talked about, I just used Chat GPT here for this, and I'm using the free version of this. I'm not didn't pay for any of this, and this, like I said, this is what it did. So yeah, so I could again I could take ask AI to give me a 3-view drawing of this, and then I can put this into my CAD program and go ahead and model this. Or like I said, I didn't download any of the files for this. I don't know how accurate if I download it, if I you know, the STLs or OBJ file, or ask this to put it in like a step file or something like that to put into CAD for this. I was just amazed at this right here, that it did this, and so it's all this stuff is just amazing what this can do. But like this here drawing this, it's just amazing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and go over there and have a look at ChatGPT or any AI program that you want to use, and ask questions. Start asking questions a bit and see what it can actually do for you. But again, this is probably going to be the future of CAD where AI is going to be designing this stuff for you. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to do it for this video. And I invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. And there will be a link down below in the description section. So yeah, anyway, it's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.